Hey, if you are looking for new products to sell every day, brought to you today. 5 viral TikTok products for October 2022. The first, lazy lipstick. Very portable lipstick. Waterproof non-stick wine glass. Vast market, perceived value, and good profit margins. Not many orders on AliExpress. This product is priced at $25. AliExpress costs only $2.70. He also includes shipping. If you are looking for a product with a $20 profit, it will be a good choice. The second, colorful projection night light. He has a rich variety of colors. Color can be adjusted by remote control or by connecting to mobile phone via Bluetooth. These products are very popular among young people. This product is priced at $19.99. AliExpress costs only $10.26. He also includes shipping. If you are looking for a product with a profit of around $10, this will be a good choice. The third, screen duster. This product is small and portable, easy to use. The dust removal effect is visible to the naked eye. Everyone has a mobile phone, and the product has a broad market. This product is priced at $12.99. AliExpress costs only $2.99. He also includes shipping. If you are looking for a product with a profit of around $10, this will be a good choice. The fourth, cervical spine reliever. Has a vast crowd market, good portability, and high practicability. High drop resistance. This product is priced at $29.99. AliExpress costs only $5.90. Shipping costs $5.81. If you are looking for a product with a profit of around $15, it will be a good choice. The fifth, decompression orangutan. This product is fun to decompress and relax. The appearance of the product can be restored and can be used repeatedly. This product is priced at $39.99. AliExpress offers only $6.99. Shipping is only $0.62. There is still a profit of $31.39. If you are looking for a product with a profit of around $30, this will be a good choice.